Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Maps in Framer. This is incredibly useful if you're building a website and want to show visitors exactly where your business, event, or office is located without them having to leave your page. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once you're on Google Maps, use the search bar to find the location you want to embed. This could be your business address, a venue, or any specific place you want to showcase on your Framer site. Type it in and let Google Maps pull up the exact spot. Now that you've got your location displayed on the map, look for the Share button. This is usually found on the left side panel or near the location details. Click on Share to open up the sharing options. You'll see a few different ways to share the location, but for embedding purposes, we need something specific from the sharing menu. Click on Embed a Map. This option is designed specifically for website integration, which is exactly what we need for Framer. When you click this, Google will generate an HTML code snippet that contains all the map data and styling. Go ahead and click Copy HTML to grab that code. This code is what will bring the interactive map into your Framer project. With the code copied, switch over to your Framer project. At the top of the Framer interface, locate and click on Insert. This menu contains all the elements and utilities you can add to your design. From the drop-down options, click on Utility. This section houses special functional elements that go beyond basic design components. Next, find the Embed option within the Utility menu and drag it onto your canvas. Position it wherever you want the map to appear on your page. You can always resize and reposition it later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect right now. Now direct your attention to the right side panel where you'll see settings specific to the Embed element. Under the Embed section, you'll notice a field labeled Type. Beside it, you'll see two options, URL and HTML. Since we copied HTML code from Google Maps, click on HTML to switch to that mode. Finally, paste the embedded code you copied earlier into the HTML field. Simply right-click and paste, or use the keyboard shortcut. Once you paste it, the Google Map should appear instantly within your embed frame, fully interactive and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Google Maps into your Framer site, giving your visitors an easy way to see your location right on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.